Perfect.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we got the Air Jordan 11 low white university red black. We do got the OG style box, just a smaller version. You got the black lid with the red Jumpman, Air Jordan in white, gray bottom, Nike Air right there. You got that black garbage bag paper cover. Alright, so we got the Jordan 11 low Concord Bred or white bread. I don't know what they calling this. I think it's Concord Bred. You got that red and black with the black Jumpman on the bottom, just like the Bred 11s. White midsole, black patent leather around. So the bottom is pretty much like the Breds, and the top is like the Concords, I'm guessing, because you got that white, so it's like a mixture of two. Then you have up here, you got that leather. This right here, the lace holders is like it's like that cloth material, which is gonna, they should have just made this leather, in my opinion. This is gonna turn yellow and get dirty before the leather. You're gonna have the laces and the lace holder gonna be a little bit yellow. I can't really tell on camera, but it's already look a little bit different than the leather. The leather is whiter than the rest of the lace holders right here. You got this piece of leather right here in the back. Then towards the back, you got the black Jumpman red 23 right here pressed on. Inside, you got that black sock liner, black insole with that red Jumpman. And behind the tongue, you have quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player ever, and that red Jumpman behind. Shoe insert 9.5, and this is what it looked like. You do got those white rope laces. Then on the tongue, third spacing, you have that Jumpman Jordan with that red Jumpman. These are a nice summer shoe, in my opinion, and it's dope that the bottom is not going to turn yellow. It's on to do a little bit different than the icy blue sole. I don't like the icy blue sole too much. You can't really like wear them like that. It's going to turn piss yellow. This, you don't have to worry about that. You got that red bottom. They should do like smoke gray, blue, I don't know, just some different like solid color, or like a translucent like this, so you don't have to worry about that yellow too much. But these are pretty dope, man. In my opinion, these are nice. I have a couple of other 11 low. It's a new colorway, so I'm feeling that. The mixture that they have of this right here is the Bred 11 right here. See the back, they got that red on the bottom, white midsole, and the black patent leather. So this is just like the Breds. And then the top is like the Concord. It's just that they didn't use the mesh, which is a good thing in my opinion, because the leather, them using the leather on this, it would make it much easier to clean, except for this right here. The ballistic mesh, once it turns yellow, is hard to clean. So this, you won't really have that problem. And the top is pretty much the Concord. You got that white, except for the mesh, like I said. And then the sock liner is a black sock liner, just like the Concord. So it's a mixture of both these they put on this and just to make it a low. They should really do these like a dope concept and dope colorways and make it a mid. The new colorways is mostly on the low, and the highs is just, I don't know, I don't be feeling those colorways, new colorways of the highs that much. But this is what you have: the Concord and the Bred, and then you have the Concord Bred right here, combination of both of these. So let me know what y'all think about this video. If y'all feeling the shoe, if y'all gonna pick them up, if y'all think they're a dope summer shoe, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.
Perfect.